In a galvanic cell, a net cell reaction takes place and with two half cell reactions. So in this video I show you the process of forming the or writing the overall or net cell reaction and the half cell reactions, because you know that in a galvanic cell two half, one is oxidation half and another is reduction half. Two halves are present and two individual reactions are taking place in the oxidation half and reduction half, and net a cell reaction is taking place in a galvanic cell. So for this case of galvanic cell, a net cell reaction is present and half cell reaction is present for the oxidation half and the reduction half. And in this video we discuss about that how to write the net cell reaction and the half cell reactions for a galvanic cell. So we start the discussions regarding this topic, and before starting the discussions regarding this topic, I would like to remind you that if you are watching this video first time from this channel, or you are new to this channel, then you subscribe this channel and hit the notification button to get the new video upload notification. Hello everybody, I am Atanu Betal, and right now we start the discussions regarding this topic of how to write the overall or net cell reaction and the half cell reactions of a galvanic cell. Let's start the discussions. This one is a galvanic cell, representation of a galvanic cell. Here you can see the zinc 2 plus and silver plus 2 silver. So this one is the representation of the galvanic cell. Now from this representation of the galvanic cell, we have to find out the overall cell reaction for this galvanic cell and what are the individual half cell reactions for this galvanic cell. So right now I show you that how you can do it. Here what you have to know, here this one is the oxidation half and this one is the reduction half. So oxidation reaction or oxidation half, in the oxidation half the reaction taking place is the zinc solid is forming zinc 2 plus aqueous plus 2 electrons. Okay, zinc is oxidizing here. So as a result of oxidation of the zinc metal, the zinc 2 plus is formed with the loss of 2 electrons, and this one is the oxidation half reaction. And reduction half reaction, for reduction half reaction you can see here the silver metal is changing from silver plus ion. So silver plus ion by receiving 1 electron, it is reduced to silver solid. This one is the reduction half reaction, where silver aqueous, silver solution present and silver solution, sorry, this one is not gas, this one is solid. Okay, so silver solid is formed after receiving 1 electron from the reaction, result of the reaction. This 1 electron is receiving by the silver plus ion to form the silver solid. So this is the reduction half reaction, this is the oxidation half reaction for this galvanic cell. For this galvanic cell, the oxidation half reaction is this one and reduction half reaction is this one. Okay, this one is the reduction half reaction. So we, for this representation of the galvanic cell, we write the oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction for this galvanic cell. So right now we called it as 1 number equation, and this one is number 2 equation. This one equation when combined together, that time the overall cell reaction is formed. Overall cell reaction means the sum of the two individual cell reactions. These two are the sum of, these two are the individual half cell reactions, and when we sum the we make the sum of these two half cell reaction, we can find the overall or net cell reaction. So right now we find the net cell reaction for these two two half cell reactions. These two are the half cell reactions, and now for net overall cell reaction, net or overall cell reaction, what you have to do at first, you have to equal the number of electrons. You can see in the number 1 equation the number of electron is 2, and in the number 2 equation the number of electron is 1. So we multiply this equation by 2, means number 2 equation is multiplied by 2 to make the number of electron equal. Number 2 equation is multiplied by 2. So as a result, this 2 Ag plus 2 electron and this is formed. And after that, what we have to do right now we have to add these two equations, means equation 1 and equation 2. So this one is the equation 1 and equation 2 is this one, 2 silver plus aqueous 2 electron to 2 Ag solid, and this one just okay. So this one is the equation number 2, okay. And when we add these two equations, two half cell equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. When equation number 1 and equation number 2 added together, that time we get the overall or net cell reaction for this galvanic cell. So look at the result of this sum. This is zinc, and after that 2 Ag plus Aq, and here electron number, left hand side 2 electron and right hand side 2 electron cancelled each other. So therefore we are not writing the number of electron here. Zinc 2 plus 2 Ag solid, and electron number cancel from both side. Here 2 electron here in the left hand side and 2 electron in the right hand side. So these two electrons are cancelling. So the net cell reaction or overall cell reaction is this one, zinc solid plus 2 silver plus 2 zinc 2 plus and 2 silver solid. You can write here Aq, okay. So this one is the overall or net cell reaction, net galvanic cell reaction for the given question of the galvanic cell. So in this way you can write the individual galvanic cell reactions of two half cell reactions or two half cell reactions of a galvanic cell, and this is the overall, or you can say net cell reaction. For overall or net cell reaction, what you have to do, you have to add the two individual cell reactions, two individual half cell reactions that are occurring at cathode and anode, and after making the addition of these two half reactions, the net equation that we get is the overall or net cell reaction, okay. So in this way you can find the half cell reactions and net cell reactions, okay. This one is very important to calculate the cell EMF. That time you must need to understand the overall cell reaction and half cell reactions, okay. So we take another example for the calculation or writing the half cell reactions and the overall or net cell reactions. We take another one example. In the second case, nickel solid to nickel 2 plus aqueous, and its change in the right hand side it is silver nickel, and you can use here silver, okay. We are using silver here in this side, okay. So right, or you can because in the previous example we already used silver, so in this example we use copper. In this example we use copper metal. Copper 2 plus is changing to copper solid, okay. So this one in this case we have to write the individual cell reactions. and the overall cell reactions. So in the oxidation hub, you know, left side is the oxidation is taking place in the left hand side of this cell, and right hand side representing the reduction. So oxidation hub reaction here is nickel, solid nickel, by losing 2 electrons it is forming nickel 2 plus 2 electron. Okay, so this one is the oxidation hub reaction. And reduction hub reaction, in the reduction hub, the copper 2 plus metal by receiving 2 electron is changing into copper solid. So these two are the half cell reactions for this galvanic cell, nickel to nickel 2 plus, copper 2 plus to copper. These are the two half cell reactions for this galvanic cell. And now the question is, what is the overall cell reaction for this galvanic cell? And it is easy. We have to make two equations. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2, and we have to add these two equations to get the overall cell reaction. So right now, if we add these two equations, at first we need to equal the number of electrons. We are seeing the number of electrons equal in the both half cell reactions. So right now we can we can just add the two half cell reactions. The two equations are ready here, and just we have to add the two half cell reaction to find out the overall cell reactions. So these two are the two half cell reactions. This is equation number 1 and equation number 2, and when, or you can write it closely, copper 2 plus aqueous plus 2 electron to copper solid. This is the equation number 2, and we make the addition of these two half cell reactions, and we get that nickel solid and copper 2 plus aqueous solution plus 2 electron to nickel 2 plus aqueous and copper solid plus 2 electron. And after this equation, overall equation forming, we cancel the 2 electron from both the sides, and the equation becomes this one, means nickel solid, copper 2 plus to nickel 2 plus and copper. This is the equation and is called net cell reaction. This is called net cell reaction. You need to understand this overall cell reaction writing process or net cell reaction writing process, because this is very important when you go for the calculation of the EMF of the cell. That time this overall cell reaction is very important. Okay, so this is the second example where we are finding the overall cell reaction and the half cell reactions. And right now I would like to take another one example to write the half cell reaction and the overall cell reaction. And our next example of galvanic cell is taking lead, tin and lead, Sn solid to Sn2 plus, and lead this one is the galvanic cell here, tin to tin 2 plus and lead to lead, lead plus to lead. This case half cell reactions, that is the oxidation half, reaction is the tin solid to tin 2 plus aqueous plus 2 electron, and the reduction half reaction. Reduction half reaction is here reduction of lead occurs by receiving 2 electrons. Lead solid is formed. This is Aq, lead 2 plus Aq, 2 lead is formed. So these two are called the half cell reaction for this galvanic cell. And to find the overall cell reaction of this galvanic cell, what we have to do? We have to at first number of electron equal, and after that we make the sum of these two half cell reactions, oxidation half cell and reduction half cell reaction. So we are seeing here that in the two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2, these two equations where 2 electrons present, equal number of electrons. As a result, right now we add these two equations, lead 2 plus Aq plus 2 electron to lead solid. I am writing this equation once again. This is the equation number 2, okay, and we make the sum of these two equations, and after making the sum of these two equations, what we get? Sn solid, lead 2 plus aqueous plus 2 electron to Sn2 plus aqueous and lead solid plus 2 electron. So ultimately these 2 electron cancel from both sides, and the overall, this is the overall or net cell reaction. This one is the overall or net galvanic cell reaction. Tin is oxidized here and lead 2 plus is reduced from lead 2 plus to lead. So in this way you can write the oxidation, reduction half reactions and the overall cell reactions of a galvanic cell. I think you understand this topic well. If you still have any question regarding how to write the half cell reaction and overall cell reaction of a galvanic cell, then you can ask me in the comment section below. I would like to answer your questions. Okay, so thank you for watching this discussion. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the notification button to get the new video upload notification instantly.